First, search for Expatrio in your browser and open the first result. Get your value package. Then, it's go. Select your study program. I'm going for a master's program. If you are traveling with a dependent, such as your spouse or children, select yes. Since I am traveling alone, I select no. The total blocked amount is shown here. For 12 months, €992 per month equals €11,904. The initial fee is €119, and the monthly fee is €9, which totals €108 for 12 months. So, the final amount is €12,131. If you are over 30, select Autonova. If you are under 30, select TK. TK is public, while Autonova is private health insurance. Review the value package, check the amounts and required boxes, and click Apply Now. Then click Let's Go. Enter your email address twice. Copy and paste is not allowed. Enter your home country. Mine is Bangladesh. Select your title, Mr. for male and Miss for female. Enter your first and last name exactly as shown on your passport. Enter your date of birth, country of birth, and place of birth. Enter your active phone number with the country code. I'm using a demo number for this video. Enter your address according to your passport. If you do not have a street name or number, enter NA for the street name and 000 for the street number. After completing the required fields, move to the next page. Enter the German university where you will study or from which you received your offer letter, along with your study program or subject. The semester start date is important because your health insurance will start from this date. You can find it in your offer letter or on your university's website. Enter your planned travel date, from which your travel insurance will be active. Select the country from which you will travel to Germany. As requested by the form, provide your financial details and indicate how you will finance the blocked account. If you are a U.S. citizen, green card holder, or pay taxes in the USA, select yes. Otherwise, select no, then select the country where you pay taxes. Mine is Bangladesh. Upload the data page of your passport, the page with your photo and personal details. I'm using a demo passport for this video. Review the extracted information and correct anything if needed. In the passport issuer field, the slash symbol is not allowed, so remove it if necessary. Tick the required box and move to the next page. Review all the information you have provided to Expatrio. Select, I have a referral code to receive a €15 bonus. The code is YEVRNCWQTL1. Click Continue. Select all the required boxes. And finally, click Submit Application. Confirm your email through the email from Expatrio. Hopefully, you will receive confirmation of your complete Expatrio value package within 1 to 2 working days. Thank you for watching this video.